In this video, we are going to see that if you come across an error while trying to update the Windows and updates are failing because of this error, the error code is 0x800703f1, or it also shows this accumulate update for Windows 10 error, which is for 0x800703f1c. If you're getting any of these error in Windows 11 or Windows 10, here is a quick fix or a couple of fixes that might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, just head over to the start menu and just right here, services. So these are all the services. And first of all, what we can do is just search for the background intelligence transfer services. Let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see all the names clearly. First of all, we have background intelligence transfer services. To double click on it, and by default it is set to manual. We need to set it to automatic and then click on start. It might take some time, so just sit back and relax. And after that, just click on apply and OK. In this video, we are going to see how we can flip a particular shape or an arrow directly in PowerPoint without needing to manually rotating it the other way around. So let's suppose that this is the arrow that I inserted. It's pointing towards right, but I want it to point towards left. So either what we can do is just make the copy of it. Making a copy is very simple. Just hold the control key and just hold that particular shape and drag it down. What this will do is this will create a separate copy. After that, just go to the home tab. After that, just click on that particular shape that you want to change the direction of. Go to the shape format and click on the rotate function, or we can, and from here just click on flip horizontal. If it is vertical or at some other position, you will choose accordingly and just flip horizontal. So that's how you do it. And let's suppose this is the one that we want to change the direction of. What also we can do is just select the shape simply. We are in the home tab, go to the arrange, click on rotate and flip to horizontal. So that's how we do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one. And after that, we need to find for Windows Update. You can just directly scroll down until you get to the W section where it says Windows Update. It's arranged in the alphabetical sequence, so you should have no problem finding it. Just double click on Windows Update. And after that, just double click to open this up. Startup type is set to manual, but let's set it to automatic. It's already running. So in this case, we need to refresh it. How will we refresh? Click on stop and click on start again, apply and OK. So these are all the changes that you need to do in services. After that, just close out of here, open up the start menu, write run here, or actually let's open up command prompt first. Let's write CMD here, right click and run as administrator. Make sure you run as administrator, otherwise the commands will not work properly. Click on yes. And let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see the commands clearly. I'll not mention this in description because it's just very straightforward. Just write SFC space / scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. Just make sure of that. Hit enter and it will start the system scan. This might take a little bit of time depending on your system speed. So you might need to wait a little bit until it completes this. And once that is done, it will show you either it is successfully completed, or if it has done something as an adjustment like Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. It will do some that kind of task. Just close out of here. And after that, you might need to restart your PC to make that effective. So just make sure of that you restart your PC before trying to upgrade the Windows again. And that should be it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.